Myself, architect Kunal Varade, principal architect of the Forum of Architecture and Planners Studio, Nagpur. Wants to put on a light on one of our project, which is an apparel shop, a commercial project located in a busy, congested area of Nagpur, Sakkardara. The client is a startup businessman in the fashion industry. He was looking for a place where he can attract young crowd for shopping, especially from age 18 to 35 years. He wanted the interior to be so vibrant and creative that it should stand out from the rest, as the whole street is with different retail outlets of various brands. The main demand from client was to uplift the store so that people passing by should recognize the store due to its trendy and contemporary interiors. The initial birth of the concept germinates from the target audience of this chain, the very youth. The design philosophy needs to capture the essence of youth and freshness at the very same time. As a first step in design, we thought of putting metal rods on the ceiling and display counters, but due to structural incapabilities and dilapidated nature of the shop, it was not possible for us to move further. So we decided to take a new approach. While moving through different materials in the market, we came across a shop where pine wood was available in abundant quantity at the cheaper rate. So we decided to make the whole design in pine wood. One more worry was that he had a limited budget for the project, and even the shop was very small, only 7 feet by 18 feet, around 126 square feet. As a vital component for his selling strategy, he told us to look more into an out-of-the-box design, use of vibrant colors, light effects, display gallery and storages, etc. All of this has to be managed in a confined space. The roughness of pine wood and morning glory texture paint came to create an airy look to the already existing small space. The use of different size of rustic thin filament bulbs gives a very unique character to the interior of this space. Along with this, there is an artistic installation painted with vibrant colors done by a renowned artist on the rear wall, which is made out of leftover pine wood chunks, and this is visible from outside the store. The leftover waste material is also used in the display area. As for the space constraint, the studio decided to divide and delegate the different activities according to the given space. The external space has been designed in a way to create an open-end, lively environment with use of fresh lighting effects and running counter space. A dark colored yellow logo with name engraved on the black background provides a nice cutoff from the rest of the hub and helps in creating a branding tool for the audience passing by. The idea was not only to provide customers with good clothes for shopping, but also to give them a youthful space for them to interact with, hence finding that right blend of architecture and users' delight for space. The remodeling of an old neighborhood store to a modern mass wear store that previously sold exclusively online. As a marketing strategy, they wanted a street store that reflected their ideas, basic design, fair price and a social sustainability. The project seeks through an interesting composition of basic construction materials, get into a design that is simultaneously simple, elegant and redefined. It also shows a parametric form of ceiling, that is a modular form. While working with pine wood, glass, threadwork, rough paint, we got a design that fulfilled the client's wish and is related to the brand and attract people who are walking down the streets to get into the store. To display the clothes, we develop a system with pine wood profiles and glass and threadwork mesh that assemble, allowing the store to change and adapt to the needs of the season, not depending on other furniture that might interfere with the architecture. There are niches used as storage space to counter issues related to keeping of cloths. The basic design of the cloth, both in material and design, reflects into the architecture, with the wall painted in white and textured yellow that receives the architectural elements with their natural texture and simple shapes that compose and serve its use. The fashion store was challenged for the office due to not only the deadlines but also due to the constricted size. With only 122 square feet, it stands out for the care with the details and was developed between the presentation of the first idea and the delivery in just 1 month. Having in mind these two limitations, area and time, the project was conceived from the outset with a very strong concept. The area of showcase, support and dressing room were separated through few elements and materials.